So the last program that I've been a part of is the Devops curriculum. And um, DevOps, for people that don't really know, is sort of a relatively new field. It's been around for years, but is sort of more recent than some of the like old standards of the way things have been done. Um, DevOps is basically the team dedicated to making sure that your web application, when it goes to production, is scalable, is fault tolerant, meaning like if your like website server goes down for whatever reason, making sure that there's another server ready to like make sure, like keep the entire app running. Um, what I mean by scalable is the idea that if your site has a million users all of a sudden, can it be handled by one server? Absolutely not. That server would blow up. Instead, what it does is like spreads them across multiple instances of servers that are essentially copies of each other, a concept called load balancing. So there's a lot of sort of very technical terms and technical concepts that go into sort of how to make a website ready for production, ready for like average consumers to be able to use, right? That's a long process that's not really talked about within our main core curriculum, but sort of really deep dive into in this sort of extension program. Currently, the DevOps program is offered to current job seekers, people that are looking for jobs in the industry that potentially want to sort of boost their particular CV and resume with this knowledge, and like more than just like the resume boosting, really be able to explore an aspect of programming that they didn't otherwise know existed. So it's for people to really extend their knowledge of the field, because one of these days, especially when they get a job, they're going to be able to interact with engineers that are dedicated to DevOps and things of that nature. So like being able to sort of at least understand the lingo is an extremely important part of like being a part of the industry. So that's all in all why we allow current job seekers to be able to take our program.